Okay, interesting unit here. I'm going to remove the cover. It's a Smith Corona Skywriter. I'm going to try to go quick here for the video. Just finished dusting off. This is Grandma's old typewriter. Been sitting around forever, but wanted to clean the dust of it and show it going real quick. Took the lid off so you can see the keys. Go through them all amazingly. Ink is still on the ribbon. Going pretty quick here to demo it. Shift still works, obviously. Put it back down to lowercase. Can't hit 4 keys at once. Forgot the old school. I would say good cleaning and oiling. This thing is good as new.